Yo, what's up? This is Kinako the dog. You've seen her before. This is her second snow. Right? Second time she's experienced snow ever. Most likely. We did adopt her, and she may have been a stray, but we don't get snow like this, like we have today, this often. So this is her second snow. We're going to let her out. And it's actually still snowing, so we're going to see her reaction. You ready? You ready? Outside. Outside. Ooh, strange today. She's not quite sure what to make of it. She's like, this is weird. Go on. Gotta do what you gotta do. Doesn't seem to be scaring her. Yeah, pretty good snow going on. I think they were originally asking for up to 18 inches. But, yeah, we'll see. I don't think it's going to be that much. Probably be some ice and nasty stuff later. Not sure if she did her business or just went to the back and checked for squirrels. You done? Okay, hold on. Let me close the door. Keep her in the back room so she doesn't get the whole house wet. We gotta, at least until we dry off her paws. Right? You gotta dry your paws, right? We got our handy dandy towel right here. Alright. Hey, until next time. Have a good one. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more.